Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cook delicious shrimp with ketchup. First, let's get everything ready. You'll need about 1 pound of shrimp, a half cup of your favorite ketchup, and some seasonings like garlic powder and paprika. Make sure your shrimp are completely thawed and patted dry. This helps them cook perfectly. A dry surface allows for a better sear, locking in all those wonderful flavors. We're aiming for a quick and easy meal that's full of flavor. Now let's get cooking. Heat 1 tablespoon of olive oil or butter in your skillet over medium-high heat. Once shimmering, add your shrimp in a single layer. Don't overcrowd the pan. Cook them in batches if necessary. You'll want to cook them for about 2 minutes on each side, or until they turn a beautiful pink color and are opaque throughout. This quick cooking time keeps the shrimp tender and prevents them from becoming rubbery. With your shrimp perfectly cooked, it's time for the star ingredient, the ketchup. Reduce your heat to medium-low. Pour about 1/2 cup of ketchup directly over the shrimp in the pan. Stir everything gently to ensure each piece of shrimp is beautifully coated in the sauce. Let it simmer for just 1 or 2 minutes. This brief simmer allows the ketchup to warm through and its flavors to meld wonderfully with the shrimp, creating a delicious glaze. Your delicious shrimp with ketchup is now ready to enjoy. Serve it immediately while it's warm and fresh. For a touch of freshness and color, you can sprinkle some chopped fresh parsley or chives over the top. This versatile dish pairs wonderfully with a variety of sides, such as fluffy white rice, a light pasta, or a crisp green salad. It's perfect as a quick weeknight dinner or even a tasty appetizer for your next gathering. Enjoy every bite.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.